after school? Question 1. Write the answers to the following questions. 1. What do the children do when school is over for the day? Answer. When school is over for the day, the children go off to play and romp. 2. Who is left behind in school? Answer. Their teacher is left behind in school. 3. What is the teacher like? Answer. The teacher is good and kind. Question 2. Write down the rhyming words from the poem. Answer. 1. Away. Day. 2. Kind. Mind. Question 1. How do you get ready for school every day? Write in about 5 lines. Answer. I get up early, brush my teeth, take a bath, and begin dressing. After that, I have breakfast. I check the books in my bag. Then mummy plaits my hair. At 7 a.m., I take my tiffin and water bottle and go down to wait for the school bus. Question 2. What do you feel when you leave home to go to school every day? Write about it in 2-3 lines. Answer. I feel quite happy when I leave home to go to school because I like my teacher very much. I also have a lot of fun with my friends. Thank you so much students for watching this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Take care.